Hey everybody! I'm here today to tell you how to grow thicker eyebrows naturally and fast. This will be a simple tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see, I have some pretty thick eyebrows, and I've done a few things over my lifetime to get them to grow thicker. A few little tricks, per se. I'm going to tell you exactly what those tricks are, and they worked for me, and hopefully they can work for you too. Trick number one is to let them grow. I know that you want to keep them groomed, and you want to trim them, and you want to pluck them, and you want to thread them, and you want to... I shave right in between here. I just give it a straight shave with a razor, but let them grow. Don't touch them. I know you might not want to do it, but when you let things grow, the hairs overlap. So let's say I have one hair like this, and then I let another hair grow over top. It looks thicker, as you can see right there, just by having the hair growing over top. So if it's like this, and then this hair is growing longer, it looks thicker, okay? So just let them grow before you ever try to trim them or shape them, I should say, okay? Number two is to rub coconut oil on them overnight. So you want to get coconut oil, rub that coconut oil over top of your eyebrows, leave it overnight, and then in the morning when you wash your face, wash the coconut oil off. Now try and sleep with the back of your pillow on your head so you don't get any oil on your pillow. But what that's going to do is that's going to promote hair growth. Coconut oil is used for many things, but it's definitely good in terms of its vitamins that it has inside of it to promote some hair growth. Okay? Trick number three is to put olive oil on them. Now, I'm going to tell you why olive oil works. In olive oil, there are a wide variety of vitamins and nutrients. It's great for you, and different kinds of fats and stuff. But specifically, the vitamin A and vitamin E inside of olive oil will promote your hair growth for your eyebrows. It's going to allow them to be thicker, fuller, and sort of just more lush looking, okay? It's really, really easy to do. You put olive oil on them, and most of the time, you could just pat it dry with a paper towel and leave that olive oil on there. You don't even have to wash it off for a very long time, okay? It'll just sort of, naturally throughout the day, your skin oils will take over, so you don't even have to make an effort to wash it off like you do with coconut oil. But basically, it's going to promote the hair growth for your eyebrows to make them thicker, better, and more luscious and luxurious looking, okay? Yes, I just called your eyebrows luxurious. That's right. Number four, last but not least, this is the one that is probably the most useful, but fewest people want to do it because it's a little bit weird. But you want to actually put egg yolk on your eyebrows, and I'll tell you why this works wonders. There is a keratin protein inside of your eyebrows, basically. That's what actually helps the hair growth and the thickness of them. Okay, so what better protein food can you think of that you can use other than eggs? I mean, yes, chicken has lots of protein, and all sorts of meats have lots of protein, and nuts like almonds have protein, but how are you going to put that stuff on your eyes? You can't do that. But you can instead put an egg yolk on your eyes. So what I do recommend is this. It's a healthy option, and it'll promote thickness growth in your eyebrows. Okay, what you should do is take an egg and separate the egg yolk from the egg white. Fry up the egg white to make some eggs so you can have a nice healthy, healthy breakfast of egg whites and maybe a slice of toast. Take the egg yolk, dip your finger in it, rub it on your eyebrows. It's gonna dry out. It's gonna feel weird a little bit when you move your eyebrows because it's all dried up and hardened. But then eventually, you can wipe it off. Leave it on there for half an hour while you eat your egg and your toast, and you have your nice orange juice or cup of coffee, and then you can wipe off with a wet cloth the egg yolk after. So that's my recommendation. This way you're making full use of an egg, the yolk and the egg whites, and you also know that you're leaving on the egg yolk on your eyebrows for long enough. That's it. That is how to grow thicker eyebrows naturally and fast, a simple tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.